Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Costa del Silencio. If you've never been to Costa del Silencio, there's a link up here to a video I did a couple of years ago about the town itself. We're on a complex called Balcón del Mar, and mar in Spanish means sea. And this is the view directly from this apartment. It's absolutely awesome. We're looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, and it's also got 2 parking spaces as well. And who better to show us around than our own Diane?
So it's about above 90 square meters.
Right.
So we have the living space here and a dining area in that area.
Okay.
The main entrance is from the left, on our left.
Okay.
We've got some storage spaces in here. And as you get in, to your right is the living, and we have the kitchen. From the kitchen you also have an access to the balcony. This is the hall that leads us to the bedrooms. You have another storage here. First bathroom. This is the smallest bedroom, but obviously you can still see it is quite a big space. Another second bathroom and a shower. Second bedroom, all with built-in wardrobes. Then we have the main bedroom, also with built-in wardrobe, very spacious. Another access to a smaller balcony, but still enough space for some sun.
If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.